Today, we're hitting the streets to talk about something we all obsess over: fashion. From the must have styles to the trends that you just cannot stand. We are here with Ishmi, a brand that's all about bold styles and to remind you to love who you are. So let's find out what's hot and what's not, and what makes your style pop. Hi, my name is Mumuksha. What's your name? Radhe. Oh, that's a nice name.
Hello, I'm Richa. Vismaya.
Gopika.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you guys. What do you do for a living?
We are studying.
Oh, that's nice.
And we are models. I'm HR.
I'm a nurse.
Oh, wow.
I'm HR.
Oh, that's very nice.
I work as a procurement manager in Flipkart Private Limited. I teach.
Oh, wow.
We just joined as an intern.
We're going to be talking about all things fashion, right? So, what's your go to fashion look?
I do prefer bodycon, but as it is a straight it's like jeans for me.
Okay.
I feel that my go-to fashion look might be anything I'm comfortable in.
Okay, okay.
I prefer tank top and some pants, flare pants mostly.
Oh, nice.
I think it's a nice flowy dress.
Formals.
Ooh.
What's that called? Bodycon dresses
Okay.
and heels. So whatever you're comfortable in.
You?
Sportswear, always.
The thing I'm wearing right now is jeans and a top.
Something which makes me feel comfortable.
Okay.
And yet it's fashionable.
Go-to fashion look would be something which you feel comfortable
Okay.
and you have a subtle color, neutral color, right?
Like jeans and crop tops.
Okay.
Jeans for any.
Okay. Okay. What's your favorite fashion look?
Punjabi suit,
Punjabi suit.
Punjabi suit and kurtis
Okay.
and jeans also.
Okay.
And you are very comfortable in, and quality matters a lot.
Casual comfort in which I can be comfortable, can
Okay.
freely walk or sit.
Okay,
That's what.
okay.
That's
What's the one fashion item you cannot live without?
Fashion item,
Yeah.
hoodies.
Oh, I love
I
it.
like crop hoodies a lot.
Denim.
Denim. Okay.
Tank top.
Tank top.
crop tops or bodycons.
I love it.
Bodycons, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Same crop tops.
Not in particular anything like that, but then yeah, wearing a top and jeans is mandatory everywhere. But then if
Okay.
you're going to a party and all, you wear something different.
Plazo suit.
Just
Jeans.
yeah.
Short skirt with I mean, of course not for me, but
No,
then
it's fine.
and probably some top with nice long sleeves and
Okay, okay.
So it would be t-shirts
Okay.
and also this kind of jeans, six pocket or some kind of comfortable pants.
Loose jeans or
Okay.
parallel jeans kind of.
Ha, ha, ha.
Since I'm a bit bulky, so that parallel jeans it completely comforts me with a loose top or baggy shirt.
Okay, okay. What's your one fashion trend that you think must stay on forever?
The wide leg jeans,
Denim forever. Yeah.
the crop top trend.
Okay, okay.
Loose, people prefer loose, comfortable wear, na?
Ha, ha, ha.
Yeah.
You wish that stays on forever?
Yeah.
Okay. What about
High
you?
waist.
High waist jeans.
Yeah.
That's right.
The silhouettes, the black silhouettes.
Okay, okay.
Classic. You can never go wrong with the black silhouette.
Correct.
Baggy jeans.
Okay, okay.
Yes. it looks really good.
Yeah.
Bodycon dresses forever.
And-
And it should be short or something like long
And
wide.
wide from the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
It should be like that.
What about you? Ah, that's very nice.
Pockets in every dress.
Wherever you want, like you see, you need to have pockets there.
I should have. Whether it's dresses, bodycons,
Okay.
anything. It should have pockets.
The ripped jeans, I could say.
Okay,
That is going to stay for a long time, I guess so.
okay,
it's always jeans, I think.
okay.
Yeah,
okay.
it will always stay
For your-
forever. Yeah.
Yes.
Short kurta and the jeans,
Okay.
loose jeans.
Like the Jab We Met vibe.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you.
I would go for bell bottoms, especially. Bell bottom is my jeans. Like jeans is a very comfortable for to go for a street shopping like
Yes,
this,
yes.
or you can keep your mobile handy,
Yes.
purse, right? So
Sweetheart tops. I think winter wear.
Crop tops and jeans.
Leggings or
Oh, fleece leggings, yeah,
fleece
yeah.
leggings along
Okay,
with like
okay.
a short skirt
Okay.
with
Crop tops.
see fashion it's keep on changing. Even retro style it's again back.
Yes.
You see, so fashion it's ever changing. So I can't say there's anything specific about that.
Uh-huh.
But yes, as I said in the first question itself, something which is comfortable,
Comfortable.
yeah,
Okay.
and enhance my overall body shape. That's
Okay, okay. What's the one weirdest fashion trend you've seen and you want it to go? Like you don't want it to stay anymore?
Skinny jeans too tight. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Baggy clothes.
The long kurta and the skirt that they wear.
Ah, okay. Got it, got
I
it.
think the same. Even I think the same.
I have an opinion in that. Now these days, the girls they are wearing like balloon skirt.
Uh-huh.
No, that skirt.
Yeah,
or
yeah,
that
yeah,
skirt.
yeah.
Yeah, that mini balloon skirt. I really don't like it.
Okay.
So, that's not my type.
Sleek fit, pencil fit pants.
Parachute then.
Parachute pants. I mean, every brand is selling those nowadays, don't you think?
I think these super colorful clothes that people wear, which doesn't make sense. Usually, if the my color complexion it's not matching up with my color, that's something which I don't go with it.
Mesh tops, like the net ones.
Okay.
I just can't do it. That's the cheap net top.
हाँ.
Skin tight jo.
वो leggings type.
Leggings type.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Extremely short clothes, like the one that goes above the, hip.
I think people making out clothes out of anything and everything
Uh-huh.
kind of irritates me. I mean, okay, I appreciate you going
Yeah,
bold
yeah.
and all, but sometimes it's just too much.
So if you see target audience, someone who is like a wavy, and if they are putting a skinny dresses, it doesn't suit them. That I would take minimal, like a crop top.
Uh-huh.
It looks kind of you will show off the body which comes out, na. So
Uh-huh.
if you are, it depends on your body.
Okay,
If you
okay.
have a good shape, you can wear. I mean, it depends on how you carry.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
that's very true.
Looking at the body type, one should
okay.
think about
Okay,
that
okay.
dress, yeah.
So it's everyone's own preference.
On
at the end.
preferences, yeah. No comments
Okay.
on that.
What's the one fashion accessory that you cannot live without and you'll wear it on any occasion?
Purse, bag,
Rings.
you have seen those thin necklaces.
Yeah.
That one which it drops till your chest.
Okay.
That looks awesome.
Okay,
And
okay.
it fixes to your hair as well and
Okay.
your earring.
Uh-huh.
That looks amazing and everything.
Yeah.
I always have a bracelet every time on my left hand, so that is
Okay.
there. Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
So basically long earrings, like really long, these tiny chain ones.
Okay,
the ones
okay.
that are really long.
That's-
That's very pretty.
If I have to just go out, earrings is something.
It's your
that-
favorite
yeah,
accessory.
It's a nice bracelet and a watch, I think.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. If you could describe your style in one word, what would it be?
Sexy yet comfortable.
Bold. Okay.
Classic.
Minimal.
Simple.
I'm a traditional girl actually.
Okay.
I am more comfortable in a traditional wear.
Okay.
So I think you'll see the sanskari side of me. Classy.
What about you? CEO look. Oh, I love it. Like,
It is. I wear any style, but the colors have to match.
okay.
So color matching.
Classy.
I think it's just exploring. Yeah.
I guess casual.
Solid colors.
Stylish.
Extremely simple.
It's always a comfortable look.
Look. Okay.
Yeah, it's always comfort which matters to me the most.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and despite of what the other person is looking and feeling about myself, I always give preference to how I am feeling inside the clothes or the accessories. That is more important to me.
Okay. Okay.
This kind of
that's your
colors,
favorite.
yes.
If you could describe your fashion sense in one word or phrase, what would it be?
This is a very tough question. It's the way how you carry. I mean, comfort.
That's it. Comfort is your way. to
Yeah,
go.
comfort is my way.
Okay.
Everyone has their unique and
Uh-huh.
stand out of the crowd by
Yes.
being minimalistic.
And we are from a brand called Ishq Me that promotes self-love and self-care. And to remind you to love yourself just the way you are. And this top is from Ishq Me as well. What do you think about it?
When you pass by, I was like, she look very pretty, bro.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We have a gift voucher for you for taking out the time to answer our questions. You can do some online shopping for yourself.
Sure.
As well. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.